In the heart of a bustling Parisian café, where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee danced in the air, sat Simone Durand, an intrepid historian with an unyielding curiosity. Her eyes gleamed with the wisdom accrued from years spent digging into the annals of history, and her poise was that of someone with an intimate understanding of stories untold. As the café's chatter faded into background noise, the attendees leaned in closer, eager to hear Simone's narrative about the Eiffel Tower, a tale she promised would be as intricate and mesmerizing as the iron lattice itself. The story of the Eiffel Tower, Simone began, her voice resonating with a passion that instantly captivated her audience. It is not just about the groundbreaking architectural marvel we know today, but about the ingenuity and audacity of the human spirit. There was a time, Simone explained, when Paris was preparing to host the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a world's fair to celebrate the centennial of the French Revolution. The city needed a centerpiece, something monumental that would outshine the wonders of the world. Visionary engineer Gustave Eiffel stepped forth, proposing a bold design that was met with both admiration and controversy. Many contemporaries ridiculed the concept, labeling it an eyesore. Alexandre Dumas and Guy de Maupassant, prominent figures of the time, were vocal critics, seeing it as an aberration in the city's elegant skyline. But Eiffel, with his indomitable spirit, pressed on, believing wholeheartedly in his vision. Simone emphasized that it was not merely engineering prowess that erected the tower. It was the relentless determination to overcome skepticism and defy conventional aesthetics. Construction began in 1887, Simone narrated, her words painting vivid scenes of the past. It was a groundbreaking endeavor involving over 18,000 iron parts and 2.5 million rivets. Over 300 workers toiled tirelessly, overcoming logistical challenges and extreme weather to create a structure that, for its time, was both gargantuan and exquisite. As she spoke, Simone's hands gestured animatedly, illustrating the complexity and grandeur of the process. Each phase of its creation was a testament to human capabilities, mixing meticulous engineering with creative flair to bring about a masterpiece that reached for the skies. When the tower was finally completed in March 1889, it stood as the tallest man-made structure in the world. It was a triumph of modern engineering and a symbol of French artistic prowess. Yet, Simone waved her finger playfully, even as the tallest, its future wasn't always secure. Many initially saw it as a temporary installation to be dismantled after 20 years. Gustave Eiffel had to champion the tower's usefulness, including its potential as a radio transmission tower, to ensure its survival. Simone's narrative continued, weaving through the tower's transformation from a contested eyesore into one of the world's most beloved landmarks. It became an emblem of modernity, a catalyst of technological advancement, and a beacon that draws millions far and wide. Today, the Eiffel Tower is more than just a wonder of construction. It is synonymous with the romance, innovation, and the allure of Paris itself. By the time Simone concluded her story, her audience was entrapped in the mesmerizing history, much like how the Eiffel Tower enchants those who gaze upon it. Her confident, bold storytelling breathed life into the past, leaving an indelible impression on all who listened.